Hello students, today we are going to solve our next chapter, that is chapter number 4, determinants. So when we hear about the word determinants, first question arises in our mind that what is determinant? So we can say determinant is a unique value which associates with a square matrix. I repeat my words. Determinant is a unique value which associates with a square matrix. It means determinant is only applicable on a square matrix, neither for rectangular matrix or any other matrix. It is only valid for the square matrix. Clear? So we can say determinant is just a simplification, or we can say a simplest value for any matrix will be given by this determinant. Okay, suppose a matrix is given of order 2 by 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. This, we need to find the determinant of this matrix. This is matrix A. If we need to find the determinant of this matrix, so we can denote the determinant by this, or we can say determinant of A. Clear? Now, if we find the determinant of this, it will be, determinant is basically the cross multiplication of the matrix. So we can say 1 into 4 minus 3 into 2. So 1 into 4 minus 3 into 2. If we simplify this, we get 4 minus 6, that is minus 2. So the value for this matrix is minus 2. This is for order 2 by 2. Now if another example is given for order 3 by 3, suppose 1, 2, 3, 8, 6, 7, 3, 4, 5. Now if we need to find the determinant for this, so what we can write, A matrix is equals to, now when we expand any 3 by 3 matrix, there is an option that we can expand this matrix by any row or any column. Either we can expand this by R1 or R2 or R3. In the same way, we can expand by C1 or C2 or C3. Okay. Now first I will tell you with the help of R1. If we expand this matrix on the basis of R1, the first element is 1. So we can write 1. Now hide all the rows and columns in which 1 is included. 1 is included here, so we can hide here. The remaining part we can write here. So what is the remaining part? 6, 7, 4, 5. 6, 7, 4, 5. Again, now second element is on alternate sign. If first one is positive, then next one is negative. Then again positive. Now minus 2. Hide all the rows and columns in which 2 is included. 8, 7, 3, 5. 8, 7, 3, 5. Then next 3 with positive sign. So plus 3. Now hide this 8, 6, 3, 4. 8, 6, 3, 4. If we simplify this, we get 6 5 is 30 minus 4 7 is 28. 30 minus 28, that is 2. Minus 2. 8 5 is 40. 3 7 is 21. That is 19. Plus 3 into 8 4 is 32. 3 6 is 18. 32 minus 18, that is 14. Simplify this. 2 minus 38. 14 2 is 28. 30 minus 8, that is minus 8. So this is the determinant value for this matrix. Clear? Now, as I said, there is no compulsion that we will expand only through the R1. We can also expand the same matrix with the help of column 1. Let's see. I will expand the same matrix by column 1. Okay. Here the first element is 1. Now hide all the elements. Respect through 1. We get 6, 7, 4, 5. Now the next element is 8. Alternate sign. Hide this and this. We get 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now last one is 3 and hide 2367. 2367. If we simplify this, what we get? 6 5 are 30, 30 minus 28, that is 2, minus 2 5s are 10, minus 4 3s are 12, that is minus 2, minus 2 into minus 8, plus 16. Okay, 2 7s are 14, minus 6 3s are 18, that is minus 4, minus 4 into 3, that is minus 12. So if we simplify this, we get 64 plus 2 6. It is different. I think we have done some mistake. 2 5s are 10, 6 5s are 30, 30 minus 28 2, 2 5s are 10, minus 4 3s are 12, that is minus 2, minus 2 into minus 8, minus 16, 2 7s are 14, 14 minus 18, that is minus 4, minus 4 into 3, minus 12, 16 minus 12, 4, 4 plus 2 6, means here we are right. Now we can check once again here. 6 5, 6 5 4 7, 6 5 are 30, 30 minus 28, that is 2, it is clear. 8 5s are 40, 40 minus 21, 40 minus 21, that is 19, 19 into 2, 38, it is clear. Now 3, 8 4 3 6, 8 4 3 6, 8 4s are 32, minus 3 6 is 18, 18 minus 32, that is 14, 14 into 3, here we did a mistake, 14 2s are 28, 14 3s are 42. Okay, 42 plus 2, 44, 44 minus 38, that is 6. Now we get the same values here and here. Now it is clear to all of you, whenever we are expand with the help of any of the row or any column, we always get the same answer. It is not compulsory that you will expand through a C1 or R1 only. You can take this as well, you can take this as well, you can take this as well. Similarly, you can take this or this or this. It's only up to you whichever row or column you can take, and you can expand the whole determinant. I hope it is clear to all of you. Now please pause the video to note it down. Now after that we will move further towards the minor of any determinant. Okay, now moving towards this topic, that is minor of determinants. Minor, it is clear by its name. Minor of any matrix means we need to divide the matrix in some small parts. Suppose a matrix is given A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. A matrix is given. We need to find the minors. Here 9 elements are there, so there are 9 minors will be possible for this matrix. And minors will be represented by Mij, where M denotes for minor, I and J denotes for the row and column terms. Suppose if we are finding for first row and first column, okay, for first row and first column, we need to hide the first row and first column, and we can write the remaining part, so that is the minor 1. We can say M11, and we can simplify E into I, that is EI minus HF. So this is the M11. In the same manner, we can find all other minors. M12. 12 means first row, second column. What we get? D, F, G, I. If we simplify this, we get D, I minus G, F. Similarly, M13. M13, first row, third column. So what we get? D, E, G, H. If we expand this, DH minus G. Similarly, M21, second row, first column, BCHI. BCHI. If we expand this, we get BI minus CH. M22. Second row, second column, ACGI. ACGI. That is AI minus GC. A23. Second row, third column, ABGH. AH minus GB. M31. Third row, first column, BCEF.
B, C, E, F. So B, F minus E, C. M, 3, 2. Third row, second column, A, C, D, F. A, C, D, F. A, F minus D, C. And last, M, 3, 3. A, B, D, E. A, B, D, E. That is A, E minus B, D. So these are the required minors for the given determinant. It is clear? Now this is for 3 by 3, and if any 2 by 2 matrix is given, suppose A, B, C, D. For this, the minors are, if we said M11, means we can write first row and first column, we get D. M12, first row, second column, that is C. M21, second row, first column, that is B. M22, that is A. So this is the minor for second matrix. We can say this matrix. I hope it is clear to all of you.